Rise and energize with a breakfast that powers your day. A healthy breakfast gives us energy. It gives us brain power, the power to dance, save the big game, solve problems, create music. From the court to the classroom. Rise and energize with us. Hi, welcome to the Rise and Energize series, where we prepare a healthy breakfast that will energize your greatness. I'm Victoria, and this is my dad here.
Hi, I'm Miguel, Victoria's dad.
So this morning, we will be preparing our favorite banana oatmeal pancakes.
We love this recipe. It's super easy, it's made in the blender, and it's perfect for a busy morning.
These are the ingredients we'll use. We'll start with 2 overripe bananas. We like them real ripe in this household.
Next, we have 2 eggs, half a cup of unsweetened almond milk for protein and calcium.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for flavor, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt.
In our family, we don't like to add any additional sugar. We find it sweet enough from the bananas.
We like to add fruit on top, which helps me stay energized till lunch. And on to the star ingredient of the morning, 1.5 cups of oats. We love oats.
In the meantime, you can heat up your griddle or pan over medium, coat it with your preferred oil. We'll use coconut oil.
So this is how easy it is. Let's not even think twice and toss all the ingredients in the blender. First, we're gonna put 2 bananas.
2 bananas, okay.
2 overripe bananas. Then we'll use 2 eggs. Next,
The milk, almond milk.
now 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1, 2. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now a pinch of salt. And on to our star ingredient of the morning, oats. Old-fashioned rolled oats are 100% whole grain, packed full of powerful fiber. Fiber keeps you full longer and helps your tummy feel better. Next, blend for about 30 seconds until smooth.
Once your griddle is nice and hot, pour 1/3 of a cup of the butter for each pancake.
When you see the bubbles on top, you know it's time to flip.
Eso. On that. Okay, open your mouth. Let's try it again.
If they're browning too quickly, then lower the heat. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Wipe the surface clean and repeat with more oil and the remaining butter.
Needed that.
Okay, nice, Victoria. Okay, muy bien. Bien. We like to decorate the pancakes just for fun.
I'm gonna make my pancake look like a flower.
Any additional fruit that you want to add, like strawberries or blueberries, are a fun, tasty touch. Wow, qué bonito, Victoria. Mine looks like a butterfly. Wow, Victoria.
Oh, look at these energizing pancakes. Oh, I think it's that time I get that fiber inside my system to take on the day. These pancakes are perfectly sweet without any of that extra added sugar.
And you can pack them up for later. They're great for freezing and reheating.
Healthy and good. Thanks for energizing the day with us. Rise and stay energized.